Whoa. That wasn't cool. Oh, welcome to ADV HQ, where I'm already feeling quite skittish on this front end. Yeah, washing out everywhere. Nah, I've got no control. I'm just going to let some air out.
Yeah, that car's seen better days. Oh,
Hey, is there a way just there or beside it or not? Nah, she's a bog hole. Adventure right now with Stiggler back on the DRZs. Bit of a rough start with washing out front wheels. Very nervous beginning there, especially. Hopefully now the tyres, I don't know, settle down. Not groove, or it's probably more me that needs to just get used to this bloody big bike again. People be laughing, big bike, they're the smallest adventure bike you can get, mate. Coming off an X-Trainer, smallest enduro bike you can get. Anyway, we're just cruising out here amongst the potholes of Wongi State Forest. Coming up to the fire tower. I think it's just here. Yeah, we're just up here. There it is. Stiggler's cruising past. Just down a bit. Saying that way.
Which way?
Left. There's a gate there. Seems that I must have come in around it, I don't know. It's locked, eh? It's this one. Long way around. I think we knock out Childer's part and maybe do this bit and then scoot back from there, you reckon?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
All right. Come on through. Yeah, this wasn't like this before. Yeah, this track was not like this. Last time I came it was fully overgrown. So it looks like some guys have been coming through and clearing it out. Beautiful. Just have to see what that little hill climb's like now, I guess. Definitely had some use now. Yep, tomato sauce bottle, I remember it. I think I stayed in the middle. fun little bit, that one, eh? It's been ridden a lot since I was... It was pretty much like I was cutting in a new track last time. I hadn't been ridden in years, but someone's been riding, it's good. So we shoot down that way and have lunch, you reckon?
Yeah, mate.
I'm starving. It's about 10 k's, I think.
Nice out here, eh?
Yeah, we're about to come into nice territory. Alright, just cruising through a rammer now. Looks like it's had some back burning. Usually beautiful country up through here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Pretty cool. Good. Gonna miss you. Oh, yes.
That's picturesque, eh?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
This is beautiful along this top part here.
Yeah.
Just magic.
Yeah. That's not cool.
We could probably both get one bike over together.
Yeah.
Just on the fence line though. Just be got to be careful of the barbed wire.
These are heavy bikes.
They're heavy things. Pretty high up here.
rumbly.
There we go.
Brake?
Yep.
Got the brake?
Yep.
Got it?
Got it. Oh, that was f***ing easy.
Yours,
Hey, brother. Maybe I can pull it up. Yeah, you're right. You got the brake?
Got the brake. Hang on. Yeah, good. Thanks, man.
I thought it was going to be an obstacle.
It's new fence too. I would have gone, oh, beautiful work. Got our new fence in. Keep the cows in. And a tree goes and falls on it, and cows are just roaming wherever the hell they want. We're on our way down now. There's trees down. Well, even after the sketchy start with the front wheel, turned out to be an awesome day. DRZ's been bloody awesome. And yeah, we don't know how long the batteries will last in these videos, so we'll sign out here. Stiggler and I. Thanks for watching. And we'll catch us on the next vids. Cheers, guys. Hooroo.